Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be recreating this lovely look. This is Natasha Denona. This is her holiday palette, and this is the Joya palette. I use literally every single color in this palette to recreate this eye look. If this is your first time visiting me, then welcome. I appreciate the love and support you coming to check out my channel. If you're a returning fan, then thank you for coming back. I love this palette. This palette I did get for the holidays, and I just recently did a mini Sephora haul on this. So if you haven't already, I'll go ahead and link that episode down at the description box down below. So I'm gonna stop talking. Hopefully you guys like the colors. I do. They're really is gorgeous. I mean, and I really liked the creamy texture, how blendable they were. It was really easy to use her palette. This is actually my first time ever trying out any of her products, so you definitely got a 9.5, almost 10 girl, because I use literally every single shade, and I normally don't use colors this way. So I hope you guys like the berry look. I'm gonna start rambling on so we can get to this makeup look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. We are going to be using the Natasha Denona Holiday Eyeshadow Palette, and we are going to be using with this first shade, which is Fuchsia, and we're going to place this directly right above my crease and blending that outwards. Now to deepen the crease, we're going to be using the shade Red Grape, and I am using a more dense brush, and I'm placing that directly on the crease and blending that out. Now to place the cream on the lid to go ahead and add some shimmer, we are going to be using my Black Up Cosmetics, and this is Contour Stick number 4, and I'm using a nice flat brush, and I'm placing that directly onto the lid. Going back into that palette, we're going to go ahead and use the shade Peach Gold, and we are applying that with a flat brush and placing that directly on the lid. Now to give the lid a little bit more brightness to the shade, we are going to be using the shade Star Bronze, and I'm placing that directly on with my finger. Now to give my eyes a little bit more definition, we are going to go into my ColourPop collection I have here, and we are going to be using the shade Let's Do It. And I'm going to be placing that on the outer rim of my eye, kind of creating a C shape. Now we're going to go ahead and finish the eyes. I'm going to be using 2 mascaras. This is MAC Cosmetics mascara, and then we're going to be using Maybelline's Colossal Big Shot, and this is from Makeup Sheila's collection in the shade Baddest Black. And then the lashes we are going to be using is from Ardell. They do not have a number on them, but they are wispies. Now to go ahead with the face, we are going in with the Peter Thomas Roth, the Skin to Die For primer. I'm placing that all over the face. Now I'm going to color correct my face real quick, and I'm using the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour, and I'm using the orange shade here, and I'm placing it all over the spots of my face. Now to start off with the foundation, we are using the NYX Drop Control Foundation in the shade Cool. And also MAC Cosmetics Match Master Foundation number 7. And we're going to buff everything out with my e.l.f. brush. And you know these trios, I like the translucent powder from Laura Mercier, then the Cover X Mineral Foundation in the shade In100, and to deepen my contour we are going to be using Sleek Cosmetics Contour Kit in the shade Dark. Now to finish up the eyes, we're going to go back in with that palette and use the shade Red Grape, and we're going for underneath my lash line. And then to give myself a little bit more highlight, we are going in with that gold shimmer and placing that directly in the inner corner of my eye. To finish off with the lips, we are going to be using Sephora, and this is from their Cream Lip Stain collection, and this is in number 24. And now for the second lip color, we are going to be using the ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is from their Ultra Matte Lip collection, and this is in the shade Chai. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I honestly think I kind of like the second look better. It just gives the face a little bit more of an ombre look. Alright guys, well this is the final look. I hope you do like it. If you did and you stayed tuned for the whole entire video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already throughout the entire video, then you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's right around here somewhere. I am going to try, as I stated before, to post at least 3 times a week, if not 2 times a week, and at least one of those videos will be a nice colorful look. So if you guys are part of the fam, thank you. I appreciate your love and support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah. And see.